Hi, my name is Benny Hamill, and I'm the founder of the Hamill Network, a consultancy which helps companies launch new businesses, scale them fast, and hopefully exit for high valuations. I work with a lot of CPG companies, and for those CPG companies, the insights that they generate from their data is often the difference between success and failure when they're launching new products. The analysis and those insights come from third-party analytic companies and AI platforms, and that's where the dilemma arises. How can I be sure that the data that I am sharing with those parties is going to remain secure and private while it's being shared and processed? That's where Nera systems come in. And I've been very fortunate to be a mentor to Rami and his team and seen the universal application of their solution to keep data private for any enterprise that needs to share with a third party. I've been so impressed with the Nera team. They have really deep experience of creating cloud-based enterprise-wide solutions. They also have a really breadth of knowledge across many categories, from CPG and healthcare to data warehousing. And they have unique expertise in creating privacy technologies. When I worked at the Coca-Cola company, one of the biggest issues that we had was sharing our Nielsen data with third parties. Nielsen were very, very concerned that this data that they owned would become into the public domain. Nera systems have now developed a solution around that using their full stack AI-focused solution. So now I'd like to introduce you to Rama Akila, the CEO of Nera Systems.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Maddie. Hello, everyone. My name is Rami. I'm the founder and CEO of Nera Systems. Let me start with a staggering reality. In 2024, the total cost of data breaches in the US alone reached an eye-watering $15.4 billion. And this isn't just a number, it's a wake-up call. It demonstrates the financial devastation that all companies must endure across industries. But this isn't just about money. Trust is shattered, reputations are destroyed, and companies find themselves with an urgent challenge to harness the power of AI while protecting their sensitive data. Now, AI, for it to be effective, it needs access to sensitive data. This creates vulnerabilities at all stages, at rest, in transit, and especially in use, which leads to opportunity costs. Companies, they hesitate to utilize cloud services due to privacy concerns. They struggle to collaborate with third-party partners, and they miss out on monetizing valuable insights. But what if they could do all of that securely? And that's precisely what Nera has to offer. Nera is a privacy-enhancing technologies platform, or PETS, that allows organizations to securely process, analyze, and share sensitive data. Here's how it works. Unencrypted data or models are processed through our software securely, which leads to a private output. Now, this can happen on-prem, on the cloud, or at a partner's site. The result? Data is never exposed and is kept private throughout the entire life cycle of the data. What differentiates us from our competitors in the PETS domain is our performance and ease of deployment. We have built the full stack solution that integrates seamlessly into existing tools and workflows. We are up to 100 times faster and up to 10,000 times more efficient in terms of storage. We're already making traction in key markets. In infrastructure, we are collaborating with Google Cloud to deploy our solution into their stack. We have an LOI with AI Mind Systems Green CSP, which is building solar-powered micro data centers, and we're launching 2 pilots with them. In the consumer product domain, we are engaging with Circana, a leading CPG analytics company, and launching a pilot with a dairy analytics company. And in healthcare, we're engaging with organizations that handle sensitive research and patients' data. We're confident we can capture this market, valued at $500 million this year, given our unique value propositions and partnerships. That TAM for pets is projected to grow from $400 billion in 2025 to $1.3 trillion by 2032. Our business model consists of two key revenue streams. The first one is about encryption services, which we charge for on a per terabyte per year basis. And the second is secure processing, which we charge for on a per operation basis. What connects us here at Nera is our passion for data privacy. I bring in over 20 years of experience in hardware software code design, focusing on privacy systems. Our CPO, Ed, brings over 30 years of experience in enterprise computing. And Sam brings in a special expertise in cybersecurity and privacy. Help us, work with us at Nera to truly defy privacy limits to harness the future of intelligent data. Thank you.